That's not me come a man where they now. I can find you something me you eat. At least me first eat something for belly first.
Cassie. So your father is dead just like that, Cassie.
Don't do. And I never know if I won't react. But I think I say the first wake us up now saying I dream me and you the dream wake up saying I lie. Why they can't carry the body go even forest?
That's what happens to anyone that commits suicide. I don't know that wish your father could not share with us that made him to kill himself. What is it? What? I had him, my husband had him there. Oh, Wanuma, Obiama wala nunumo. And Manano.
He don't do away. I don't know. He don't do away. He don't do away.
Oh, and
you have to listen to things. You have to listen to me.
Mother, I will not listen this time around. I won't. I care so much about Cassie and her family. Please, let me help them.
My son, I beg you in God's name. This is from going to say Cassia. You have already done enough for them. You have tried for them. Please.
Mother, you should be the one to stop this tradition. Mary's lets us stop the killing of twins. You should stop something. I mean, Mother, you have the power.
Don't go there. A tradition that has been there even before your father was born? Oh, please don't be stubborn. Don't. Why are you like this?
Guess who's back?
Hello. I see you. Welcome.
Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm very well. Welcome back.
Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm fine. How did it go?
It went well. Yes, as you can see, I'm just coming back. I have not even gotten home.
No.
I'm serious.
That's the kind of you.
Where's your mother?
Oh, Mama went out, but she'll soon be back.
Oh, good. There you go. This is for you, and Mama.
You shouldn't have.
Come on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please sit.
Thank you.
That's a lot.
Oh, so tell me, how's business going?
Very well. Help me thank God. They've started buying things from me in this village.
No wonder you're shining, smiling.
Very happy. Happy, oh.
That's good. Let me have it. Let me pick it for you, okay? Very soon, you will stop this business.
No, bros. No. I change it for you, I beg. I change it. Stop which business? And where am I supposed to get money to start another? Bros, I jump and pass.
Did you just ask that question?
Yes.
What do you have me for? I'm here, okay? You need not worry. You know you have